So since I like the style of the cat carving that we made a while ago, the cat with curves, I thought I'd kind of recreate that style with a rabbit, because I just think it kind of suits it, sort of a roundish frame, kind of like the cat. So just going to do the same that we did with the cat with curves and start with a V-chisel and just go around everything. Okay, so now I'm going to make some of these inner lines deeper with the bendy boy chisel or a flat chisel. You could do it with a knife as well. Knife could possibly be easier than using this. And then I'm going to round over the parts that I want to round down to make this kind of pop out a little bit more. So yeah, let's do that. So now that I've figured out all these different levels and the legs are sticking out from the body and the tail is behind the body, what I'm going to do is start carving out this ear with a gouge and another flat chisel just to go around the outside so I can get that depth on there. Eyes can be pretty confusing for a lot of people, and they are for me sometimes as well, to be honest. But one thing I always make sure to do is to just try and make it look like there's a ball there, so just round everything over. And we're not doing a pupil on this one, but at least we can kind of round it over and it will look a bit more like an eye. So because large portions of this are flat, I don't really like the look of it, so I'm going to get this kind of curved flat chisel and just take away all those kind of flat areas, make it look a bit more textured. So while we oil this with some bold linseed oil, I just want to say thanks to my supporters on Patreon and YouTube, and especially to DD this week, who joins at the Team Wood Chips tier. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. I really like how this one turned out. It's a lot like the cat one that I did, except in rabbit form, and it made me think a lot of Watership Down. It feels very kind of mythology-esque, the kind of way with all the curves and everything, I think, and the face makes me think of that quite a lot. Remember, if you're a Bendy Boy Society member on Patreon, you can get the rabbit template, and I think probably the next video we're going to do another free template with flat chisels, which you can also get on Patreon as a free member. You don't have to pay for that one. Alright, anyway, thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.